everyone, this is Rochelle with Originally Worn, and today I want to share with you my no-sew, quick, cheap, floor-to-ceiling curtain hack. I've just now replaced my last normal curtains with this, and I absolutely love it. It's behind me here, and I'll show you. Here are my new floor-to-ceiling curtains for under $10 with no sew at all. You can see that I still have to patch my hole right there from when I raised the curtain rods, and I've done them on this window also here. I absolutely love this method. So I bet you're wondering how I pulled off such cheap curtains with no sew at all. So here's my secret. All you need to do is get a twin size flat sheet. You don't need to get the fitted part to it, and Walmart sells them just in the flats, and you can get them, I think, for a twin for $4.97. If you have really huge windows, you can buy the full or the queen or the king or whatever you want to do, or multiples of the twin. I've done them all different ways around our home. Our outdoor curtains are even this way too on our back patio. We've just sprayed them with kind of an outdoor waterproof sealer, and then they're washable, easy too. That's what I love about these, is that I don't feel bad if I take them down and throw them in the wash machine after my kids spray chocolate milk all over them. And it happens a lot. It's kind of gross. So here is that top part of your sheet that you would normally put at the top of the bed. All you have to do is literally take this seam right here, take a knife, a seam ripper, a little bit of scissors, and you just pop this seam open right there, and you stick your rod right through it, and you have gathered top curtains. That's the absolute simplest way to do this. If you're feeling more crafty, you can get a grommet maker, and you can actually like stamp a grommet right through here. Or you can, like how we have in our outdoor patio, we have the rings with the clips. You can do that for these, but whatever option you do to put it on there, is super, super ridiculously simple. And they are already the perfect length to do your rod floor to ceiling, which I love, because then it really makes your walls look a little taller and higher, and it doesn't cut everything off. It's the best way, I think, to put your curtains, and it takes a little measuring, because then I just dropped the rod right down from the ceiling. So that was my first thing, was move your rods up high and put these, and you'll have them go from floor to ceiling with absolutely no sew for one window for under $10. There is no way you can beat that price and that little effort. I hope this quick home decor hack helped you today. Have a wonderful day and happy painting.